What's going on, guys? Joseph Ford here for Financial Planning. Today, guys, I'm doing an unboxing for you guys, and that is the Loaded Lions hoodie that I received in the mail. So that is the Crypto.com's exclusive NFT, which is the Loaded Lions, and they gave out all of us that have the NFT hoodies. But before I get started with this unboxing, I want to say that we did reach over 300 subscribers on this channel, and I want to say thank you guys for the support and you guys watching my videos, guys. I definitely appreciate that. I'm looking forward to going to 1,000 subscribers next, so stay tuned, keep on sharing, supporting the channel, and I appreciate you guys. So with that said, let's get started with this video. Alright, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox, or should I say unwrap, this hoodie from Crypto.com's Loaded Lion NFT. Alright, so let's check this out. We got a couple of things in here. Alright, so we have like kind of a thank you, welcome card. It says, "Thank you for being a member of this pride. We hope that you love this swag as much as your Loaded Lion loves to party. We can't wait to see you rock this hoodie. Loaded Lion swag." So that's pretty cool. Alright, the next thing in here is looks like 2 pairs of socks. Crypto.com's logo on there. Go ahead and open it. Alright, so yeah, two socks. That's what it looks like. Cool, got some socks now. Alright, and it looks like we got 2 stickers. So first it has the Crypto.com and the logo, and then also the logo itself. So 2 stickers. And of course we got the hoodie itself. Alright, so it's in this nice little bag. I did get a small, so we're gonna go ahead and open this bad boy. Alright, there's some wrappers in here. Cool. So on the back it has the Loaded Lion, the symbol, and then on the front got the Crypto.com's tag on here. Also has the logo on the front as well, the Loaded Lions. Pretty cool. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wear this thing right now. Alright, let's do that. With the tag on and everything. Cool. It's a little cold up in here anyways. So this is pretty cool. Free little swag from Crypto.com. So this is pretty cool. So just for holding the Loaded Lions NFT, which is exclusive to Crypto.com, they have a lot of utility to it, right? So of course we're getting free goodies. As you can see, we're getting this hoodie. They also gave out another NFT, which is called the Cyber Cub. So all the Loaded Lions holders, if they have more than 1 lion, you get a cub NFT with that lion as well. So just extra stuff that Crypto.com is giving out just for holding their NFT. And I actually got this NFT back in November of 2021. And it's crazy because my buddy, he's the one that actually even told me that Crypto.com was having their own NFT, right? So I end up missing the pre-sale and end up getting the aftermarket. But the crazy thing about it was there was a glitch on the website. So there's a thing called sniping, right? When you're trying to buy NFTs and a project just launched and it's in the open market, there's a term called sniping, which means you're trying to buy the NFT at a discount price or close to the spot price, or maybe a couple $100 or whatever the case may be. You're getting it at a cheaper price, right? So the site where it has filters, right? We're filtering the cheapest price of the Loaded Lions. it wasn't working properly. So you literally have to scroll down to find the cheapest price. And since they had that issue going on, we're able to get a loaded lion at a super cheap price. Like, people were selling the loaded lions like thousands of dollars right in the first day. I was able to snipe one NFT for $6.99, guys. And I also saw one for like $7.99 or $800, but I didn't end up getting it. But I got one. And right now, the today price, the spot price right now is $1,700 right now. Crazy right now. So I can sell my NFT right now if I decide to, for about $1,700. I already got an offer for $1,500 right now, so a little over double of what I paid for. So that's kind of like a little background on how I got into this project. So this is really my first big NFT project, and that was the Crypto.com's NFT exclusive, which is the Loaded Lions. So I'm very excited about the project. I'm very bullish as well for Crypto.com. I also have their Jade Green debit card as well, which requires $4,000 worth of Crow. Of course, Crow is down right now, but one of the great perks that I love about this card is that I get access to an airport lounge. So I do a lot of traveling, so when I go to the airport, I like to hit up the lounges. So just for having this card and having my Crow staked, I'm able to get access to the airport lounge. So amazing stuff, guys. And of course, as we know, the FTX collapse, there's a lot of turmoil going on with these crypto exchanges, and a lot of FUD going on with Crypto.com. So Chris, the CEO of Crypto.com, man, he is just straight killing the FUD right now. I mean, they're trying to bring down Crypto.com, due to the FTX collapse, man. There's so much FUD going on in this space when it comes to these exchanges. But hey, Chris is out there. He's on Twitter. He's saying, hey, look, a lot of the reserves is in stable coins right now, USDT, and he has the charts. He's just showing it. So he's really bringing that transparency, for the clients, and the users out there for the exchange. So I'm very excited for Crypto.com. I wish success for every exchange, man. It sucks to see an exchange to go down, people not able to withdraw their crypto out. It's very unfortunate, but hey, Crypto.com is fighting. They're here. This is a long-term project for me as well, because I do have Crow, so I'm looking forward to the future of Crow as well. So that's all I got, guys. If you have not already, go ahead and like this video. It's going to help me out as far as the algorithm. And then, of course, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, guys. So this is for financial planning. I'll see you in the next video. God bless and stay blessed.